Hello, dear students. Today we are going to learn about a letter to editor. Letter to an editor. So, when you write a letter to an editor, first of all, you should know that this is a formal letter, and so the format of formal writing will apply to it. And next, you should know that you write a letter to an editor, especially because you want to draw the attention of people or attention of the concerned authorities or concerned agencies towards that problem which you have noticed. So it is about highlighting some problem or something that you have noticed and which you want to share with some other people who are stakeholders in it or who have somehow who are responsible to bring a solution to it or to take note of it. That is why you write a letter to an editor, which is usually called a letter to editor. Alright? Now, let us have some example and then we should write it. So, first you take a problem. Suppose there is water logging in your locality, and the rainy season has passed away, still the water logging is there. So how long will it stay there, remain there? So this is a problem. Now, suppose you are in Patna and you have to write a letter to an editor of a daily popular daily from Patna. Let it be the Times of India. Suppose you have to write a letter to the editor of the Times of India, and the problem is the problem of water logging in your locality. Now, the first thing that you will have to do is to give the sender's address at the left side top. So at the top in the left side you will put the sender's address, and here you know that this is the way of format of a formal letter also, that the sender's address should be at the top left. Now where suppose it is Kamla Nagar, Digha, Patna. Let it be and you are from house number 15. So house number 15, Kamla Nagar, Digha, Patna. This became the address, sender's address. Below that, date. On the left side itself, below that, date. Suppose you are writing it today, 11/11/2020. So first was the sender's address, then the date. After date, you have to write the receiver's address. Here the receiver will be the editor. Formerly they used to write to the editor, now you have added to. Now they write simply the editor. The editor The Times of India, Fraser Road, Patna. The editor, The Times of India, Fraser Road, Patna. Now, after that comes salutation. Sir. Below that subject, waterlogging at Kamala Nagar, Digha, Patna. All right. So this is a letter to editor, or even you can write letter to editor regarding this. Sometimes you may write this subject even first and then sir, no problem. You can do either salutation first, then subject, or you do this subject first, then salutation. After that you start writing, dear sir, you have already written. So after that you start writing through the columns of your popular daily or esteemed daily or esteemed newspaper or popular newspaper. I want to draw the attention of the authorities concerned towards the waterlogging that is there in the streets of Kamala Nagar, Digha, Patna. Now it's not necessary that you write exactly what I said. You means this type of sense is to be brought out, and you write it in your own language, how in the way you want to write. And after that you show and highlight the problem, and then ask the editor to give you a space at the proper place in his newspaper. And after that you conclude by writing yours truly or yours etc. Don't write yours sincerely, faithfully etc. Yours truly or yours etc. And then you write your name. This is how you should write a letter to an editor.